Good morning, guys. How are you? This is Stephen here. This is my first vlog video. So it's been, I think, the now time is 1:56. You can see here. I don't know. The roads are empty. If the police caught me, then I don't have any chance to run from here because it's. I think I don't know what's running here. We don't know, like we have the chance to come out in the midnight or not. Yeah, we can come out, I guess, because there is a car. Oh, doggy, why are you sleeping in the road, man? Okay, chill. So I wanted to go in the airport road in the right side, but I don't want to take the risk as there is police station. So I'll go in the left, so which goes to the Tanisandra. Why are you barking, my dear dog? It's GoPro time. So the roads are very bad in Bengaluru. You know that very well, so I need not tell of anything. Actually, you know everyone that everything is fine in Bengaluru except the roads. So you need to be very careful while riding, because I'll see that minimum 2 or 3 people will be falling. So it's like that is a different case. If you met with an accident or you're falling, that is a different case. But it is not a case of accidents. It is like the roads are not proper. For that reason people are falling. That like it doesn't look that fair. So I don't know what government is doing. GKBK road, we are here. I'm too scared of the dogs because they bite, so I should be very careful. Petrol station. So no roads are open. So when I changed my this one halogen to LED bulb, I think LED was the brightest, so I can manage with the dim dipper too. In the halogen I needed to use the high or this one, but in this it manages with the dim dipper itself. I no need to use for the hyper and all, so it can manage. So I can see no house, no shops are open. Okay, cool. If police are there, means I would have run from here. Okay, supermarket is open, man. No, it's not open. Colon. Okay, cool. I don't know, guys. Just now I woke up, then I thought of like I am not getting the sleep. So I thought like, okay, cool, let's go to the ride. I think it was the best option to come on the ride in the early morning. I'm feeling chill, you know, Bangalore weather is too cold. And yeah, it's like roads are also empty, no fear of corona. You know, like in other times it will be like too cold, as well as in the daytime it will be sometimes rainy, sometimes there is this hot sun. But it manages although, but the scare of fear of corona won't go. But it's managing like anything. So I don't know. So we'll go in the left, we'll cross the railway bridge. Okay, we wanna cross railway. Okay, cool. I'm crossing railway. Okay. So we are going to the GKVK Hebbal Srirampur. So we don't want to go to. Okay, we'll go to the Hebbal route. So no issues. We are going anyway. I don't have any work. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. The dog just came to bite me, man. Holy fuck. I knew that if it would have touched me, I would not have fallen because I'm very perfect. Like, holy shit, man. Another dog is there. I'm very scared of these dogs here. They will come and directly bite us. Holy shit. I don't know why the dogs are so much angry on us. Holy fuck, man. Holy fuck. People are walking over here. I think it is a cargo section. Yes, it's a cargo section. People are aramse sitting and they're talking like anything. It's like they're enjoying their life, no issues. We should be careful about the dogs. They will see that they will directly come and bite us. So we should not take any risk. So Alampata, what is this? It's a furniture thing, but also it's open. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Most of the companies are working. Okay, it's a Mahindra. Yeah, Mahindra showroom. No issues building. Cool. So actually what happened is you may be distracted with this both lights in the side end, but what happened is I connected that lights in such a way that when the hyper light works, then only the side mirrors also will work. Like that I have designed it. Oh my god, donkey. Oh, it's not donkey, it's horse. Okay, we'll take a turn from here. We'll go. Will not wait for much time, so wasting time is like hectic. So we'll take the right from here. Will not waste much time, as we don't know where the police will come. MCHS layout. We are in the MCHS layout. Okay, cool. Okay, doggies. Cool doggies. Okay, I don't know what the dogs are doing over there. Dogs are just kidding. Horse. Come on, horse, you can do it. Horse, come on, you can do it. You can kill them. This dog is very cute, man. Where are running, bro? Where are running? What dog? You wanna run? Okay, bye bye guys. Take care. Okay, car is there. Come on, car. Okay, cool. I guess it's an ambulance. So nowadays, I don't know, you know the situation nowadays, it's too hectic that ambulance will be going. See, I'll suggest you one thing. When the it's a policeman. Oh my god, it's a police. I need to go from here. Holy shit, if they catch me, then I don't have any options to run from here. So it's better to go. Okay, guys. So it was a police vehicle, but I'll tell you that if at all, if you find any ambulance, please do give them side. I have seen in the traffic also that people won't give. Holy shit, man! Now, holy shit, holy shit. So the dogs will come and directly bite, so we don't have any option to. So I should keep on riding. We cannot this one. So one thing I'll tell you, when the dogs come, you just hold your handle very strong, that if they come and hit also, you may not fall, because it's too dangerous, it's too hectic. Because the dogs, I don't know why they come and bite us, but for our safety we should be very strong. So just hold on your handle very strongly. I have seen many people, they know everything, but also they will fall, because the people are like they won't what I wanted to say is, the people know, they know everything, but what happens when the dog come nearby, I don't know what happens to them. The dogs will directly bite them, or it will come under their tire or something. It will, like, they will fall. But I'll tell you one thing, guys. See, the dog may come, it has no guts to bite you when the running vehicle is. It will chase you, but if you slow down, then only it will bite, because it can find your leg, right? Without, see, if you are in a constant speed, definitely it cannot catch your leg. It will come, it will hit your bike. But when you have control on your bike, obviously you can manage your bike. But the people who don't hold their handle very strong, of course they are gonna fall. So now again dog is there, so I need to accelerate now, otherwise I don't know. Okay, cool. So that's what I said. Yeah, if you hold the handle straight, obviously your bike, and if it falls to a big dip also, it will get up. No issues, no fear of falling, everything. So no need of fearing for the dogs. And about the ambulance, please do give side, guys. You know that many people are like, our lives, we can spend our extra 5 minutes to go and reach our home or any duty or something, but the guy who is inside the ambulance has no another 5 minutes extra left out for him, right? So if you think, guys, like, if you're in the ambulance and the people do same thing to you, then what would be your situation? You are not conscious, but see, the life is very precious. Nowadays nobody is caring about your life. There are a lot of murders, there are a lot of encounters are going on. Yeah, I don't talk about the encounters because there may be some illegally rules or something. Okay, let's skip about the encounters. Lot of murders, fights. Like, life, you don't take it in such a way that it's too easy, guys. Like, it is very hard to get, and the people who enjoy the life without having much enjoyment, like, your life is waste. It's like you are taking the challenge and you're not completing challenge, you're just give upping. So it looks similar to that. So I suggest you guys, like, whenever you guys want to enjoy your life, just enjoy your life. Problems are there. For the problems, if you get, or if you take the wrong decisions, just imagine who else can get the problems. Like, things cannot get the problems, right? Only the persons get the problem. Like, be positive every time. So because I too in a depressed condition during of this lockdown, so I too felt lot of things. I'm feeling lot of things. I don't know, you believe me or not, I am not the guy to ride in the midnight and all. So you can guess me that what's going on, what's wrong with me. Okay, dogs. Yeah, what's wrong with me? For that reason only, I'm just like, I don't have agenda nowadays. I'll sleep at any time, I'll wake up at any time. I don't have any strict rules, regularities. Where is going, man? So see, these guys, they're coming always in the wrong road. He has got such a vast road there. He can go from the right road, but he is coming in the wrong road itself. I don't know. Okay, this auto wala also took the wrong road. So I don't know what to tell to these guys, because always they are in a wrong condition. So though he had a good way there, he did not accept that. He came in this, so no issues. So what we can tell to them? So if you can tell to the people who can understand, it's better you can tell them. But these kind of people, if you tell also, they won't listen. So best to tell. Don't go and tell them, because they won't listen to you. Even I don't know, sometimes I may also commit the same mistake. So chill out, guys. But it's an enjoying thing that I'm enjoying the ride in the morning. No issues. My recording already started for 17 minutes 39 seconds.